Okay, this time we have a cosecant. Cosecant of theta equals negative 1.038. Okay, we don't have a cosecant inverse button on our calculator. What do we need to do so we can deal with this? Change it into, well, you need to change this cosecant into a sine. Okay, we don't want to confuse now the inverse function with the inverse reciprocal, right? So in this case, what I would do, what I'd recommend, if you get a cosecant or a secant or a cotangent, write it like this. Cosecant of theta, I'll write it as 1 over sine of theta. And then flip both sides, right? Make this sine theta over 1 and make this 1 over negative 1.0038. Right, so I converted it to the function that I do have an inverse for, 1 over sine. And then I flipped both sides to get that. So now I've got sine theta equals, and what is 1 over negative 1.0038? Nine? Let me see. .9962. Okay, no, that's good. Negative 0.9962. I was thinking one step ahead because I've already done this problem. Okay, now how can I find the theta? Sine inverse, right? Theta equals sine inverse of negative 0.9962. Theta equals negative 85 degrees. Okay. So which quadrant is that in? So if you go down in a clockwise direction, it's not, it would be negative 90 degrees to get to the negative y-axis, right? It's not quite that far. It'd be negative 85 should be about right there. Okay. So yeah, we would say theta, the first one will be negative 85 plus 360. Okay, 275. So the first one is 275 degrees. Okay, well, we want to go, which other quadrant will we go to find a sine which can equal a negative number? Right there. 3, right? Sine is the same values in 3 and 4, so we would go over there. Okay, well, if this angle here was 5 degrees more than 270, then what will this one be? There you go. Which is 265 degrees. I mean, you could also think of it like, if that was like a reference angle of 85 degrees, that means that this is a reference angle of 85 degrees. So you would be doing 180 plus 85, 265. Any way that works for you.